Hello and welcome to FCSS, Family Community Support Services. I'm Christine, the Administrative Assistant for the department. A large part of my position is supporting the staff and the programs within the department.
Welcome to Family Community Support Services, also known as FCSS, within the Town of Hinton. I'm Karen Bouchard, the Family Community Support Services Manager, who is fortunate enough to manage the staff, programs, and services within the FCSS and Transportation Department. The overall objective of FCSS is to develop locally driven, prevention-based social initiatives to enhance the well-being of individuals, families, and communities. Hinton FCSS offers a wide range of programs and services from newborn stage to senior support. Transportation plays an important factor on social well-being and aligns well with the FCSS mandate. Stop in or call to make an appointment with any of our FCSS staff and we will be happy to support you in any way.
Hello, my name is Randy Smith, and I'm the Coordinator of Individual Support for the Town of Hinton Family Community Support Services. Some of the services I offer are the Home Support Program, Lifeline, Friendly Visitor and Caller Program, Community Volunteer Income Tax Program, the monthly Seniors Information Sessions, Seniors Week activities, Compass for the Caregiver workshops, as well as providing help with any type of government paperwork.
Hello, I'm Lisa Brett, Community Connections Coordinator. My role is to host Play and Learn at the Hinton Family Center, offering an indoor environment for parents with children ages newborn to 6 years old, focusing on social connection. Also, I help to welcome people newly moved to Hinton through the Hello Hinton program. I oversee the Neighborhood Block Party program. You can host a get-together to better know your neighbors. I also encourage volunteerism, helping to connect people wanting to serve the community.
Hello, my name is Jackie Dills. I'm the Caregiver Education Coordinator. I provide support to caregivers with children 0 to 18 years of age. This includes one-to-one supports through phone, email, online or in person. I also offer ages and stages questionnaires. I also offer support and education groups, which include workshops, group discussions, and guest speakers, as well as information and referrals. I also help support the Hinton Family Center with the Parent Connection programs. And I look forward to connecting. Take care.
My name is Jenna Eltripke. I'm the FCSS Assistant Manager. Through my role, I work with the Child and Youth programs here at FCSS, including the Family Resource Network, Hinton Kids for Success Out of School Care, Discovery Camp, and the Youth Center.
Hello, my name is Charlene Sitar, and I'm the Family Life Coordinator at FCSS. The Family Life Coordinator position is new to the FCSS team, and it's an opportunity for us to look for ways to enhance the quality of life for families in our community by planning family-friendly events, promoting community mental wellness, and enhancing the safety of families through the prevention of family violence, including the prevention of elder abuse. Families come in all shapes and sizes and from many different cultures. It's our hope to find ways to connect with families no matter their size or circumstance, and provide programming to enrich their lives. I look forward to working with our community to build strong families and strengthen family relationships, because strong families build strong communities. Thank you for allowing me to share this with you. I look forward to speaking with you soon.